Oh my, expensive ng panty ni Aya. Hindi basta-basta.
Ito may heart pa, grabe.
I did not get one. I got two. Oh!
Uy, grabe naman ito. Uy, bakit redesign natin agad?
And I bought this for my mom. And then I got a top.
What? Ano go? May ano na.
Mas makapal mo yung kilay ko. Manipis kilay ko. Mas makapal mo yung kilay.
I'm 18.
So I got this.
That's not it. I got a grade too. I got my kuya an aesthetic shirt. I got a black. I got a white.
Dapat siya ang pinaka-pogi sa Santiago City.
This is for my dad. Oh, me. This is for